Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change full screen settings on YouTube. So let's get started. Now first of all, we're going to go to YouTube application and then let's open up a video. Alright, so I have opened up a video. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom this video. So I've clicked the zoom button and as you can see there are a few black areas on both sides of my screen. Now if I pinch out, then I'll be able to zoom to fill the screen, and by doing this you will crop a little bit on the up and low side. As you can see, if I go back to original mode, it's a bit cropped, but if you don't want any black bars on both sides, then it's an ideal option. On the other hand, if you don't want to pinch in every time you go full screen on a video, then you can change a setting in your YouTube application. So I'm going to zoom out. I'm going to go back and close this video. Now I'm going to go to my profile on the lower right corner. After that, I'm going to click on settings on the upper right corner. Now I'm going to click on general. From general, turn on the option called zoom to fill screen. Now after you have turned on this screen, if you turn on any video, now let me turn on a video. I'm going to go with another video. Now let's turn on this video. So if I go full screen now, then the video will automatically fill to my screen. Let me go full screen. So as you can see, it has filled automatically my entire screen. And if I pinch in, then it has zoomed out. So as you can see, the black areas are here now. So guys, that is how you can change the full screen settings on your YouTube application. If you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.